Jesse. Jesse. Koku Jesse nyumba kwa na betimi ato. Sa me catch on say na ye share promotion asio. Uber need ticket free. Oh, and I made you 2 winners. To yak mama, yeah, bring out your singing abilities, you know. Say Eben dia na betimi ato so a. Say God bless and way every day shakara he dey do double heavenly blessing he dey full. That song, okay, let's do that song today because that song, man, it dey go down well, pa. Enti me activate phone lines this year and then wow, back to back na straight up. Enti yan call man so say 0302216561 0302216562 0268499347. This is your own show. Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM with me, Jerry Justice. Papa Bills is in the house. Nice, also representing y'all. Bonnie D back on Pesa back on I can't remember send this on we near there. It's your good way of credit. The patrol challenge to Messiah and Trasso. Now, Eben, no around. It's your show. I bet me to sign straight, not just because I don't know a popular being that. Oh. It is all banner to Papa. So this one no be say be me where they judge you, you know that kind of thing. Right? I say it's young crowd man. So now young fat Mr. Nobody. Papa Bills, Mr. Nobody. Me need you deal with Musa. Me young fan to our man, but hello, Mr. Nobody. Oh, I'm so on one cry because. Mr. Nobody pad. Young man, you're free. Kobodumas, David, me shows you waiting at you. Have you? I bet you have a brutal. Yako, hello? 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 Atiafaso. Eti abde gusu aye sort out your phone lines no. You to check us from my proud sponsor on boy. I'm here to offer the Kenya radio bro Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Hey, Gwazo. What's his name? Try now ba we train. Say you fufro. Yo, man Gwazo. If I try and fast that can say Emma, yeah, proud sponsors. I'm boy Kojak Pharma. Kojak Pharma Limited. The mind the original pro code. The original pro code. Yes. And Koto invitation there and there the original pro code. PROCOLD. Yeah, Kojak Ebon KOJACH. Now logo no so tattoo. For 4 BDA you mo twagum okrom de enye. Yeah, the double paracetamol na share any other chemicals we more I don't know any approved by FDA. To one share you now can rely on there. One share na how adwen. Temperature men to be to pro code I no efi Kojak Pharma. And na original. What I say? I feel your Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash. And your Kojak sensitive toothpaste there be toothbrush so I can home. The patrol say what problem what num or say enko ye ya na ye bi near there use Kojak F toothpaste and na say ne mouthwash no they mo dia no severe pains pa na for method akwa twitwu say na moje ba wonu behia Kojak P toothpaste no na say ne mouthwash no we use no say continuously for 4 weeks na fe no actually wo de Kojak F no ato so akopem say bibia be fine ba per best result pa dia ya use Kojak sensitive toothbrush no for touch e be kama pa available pharmacy shops out do ni nyina do pa no hwehwe Kojak Pharma chi akwan wo Kashi drug lane and our phrase 0249209920 and our phrase 0260870780 Kratwe FDA ahwemu agye atum sampa emu ye yankwa man so hello good afternoon
afternoon
me pa try for say
friend sister Adwa very na.
Sister Adwa. Sister Adwa, oh yeah sure say obetimi aye. Yeah, Sister Adwa. Industries Limited. Almost like my DBS roofing sheet. A board dance so heavy. Win your absolute peace of mind. Because chance in say color and fade and pay off Umpuna campus chance in a rusty. Color Link Plus roofing sheet original. You're the top class quality materials in the area. And you know to be a Timina Kukudroni amount 20-year warranty or so. What's I enjoy 5% discount on paying up a day. You shall on the Express Road next to Papa Restaurant. It's on the Biamian Casa 0204 344 561. I face 0240 844 444. Your first day, you are my Farmer Trust Limited. Farmer Trust Limited. I'm gonna my healthy link, hair, nails, and skin. Oba, where am I more rare for now? Skin so toss come on. Now, teams who food. Now I a heavy, complete woman. I feel healthy link, healthy woman. About person boost to fertility instead of Bema name. Yeah, I not just a 1 year more. What do I need? A some my own immune system now. What they my pump and then you check. Sabe now benya come on ya dear. Hello, wanna cry. And my blood and soup flow ye. And you are healthy link menopause tablet. Yeah, my minimum would do on penny face and they more chabrano. A drawback where bomb now or how near mania tete. I almost from Adom would do sabrin mono. Eating now a free at the moment. They are available at our pharmacy shops out doing in throughout the country. Open the door part their Farmer Trust. Pharmacists are who doing in Ubo do be here beyond one sabeka. Bless our STC important. Bless at say. Yes, you are pa. Open free ticket one.
Pa my what?
Enti eben you no beti miato.
Oh, my ready.
Okay. Let's go.
Move beat and asking into okay.
Open beat is hard day.
I said you beat in the dash at the one.
Debbie. Mami a cappella. Share.
Okay. All the days of my life I praise you. Everything that I have now you give to me, Baba. Lord, I said you for your love, I'm grateful. Because your love is plenty, you came to die for me. Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nissi, I am that I am. Ooh, I search around, there's no answers like you. Lion of Judah, you are the mighty man in battle. Aye, he has given me victory. 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 Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Say bless.
Yes.
Ufu name ye
Begin the Azatou bless.
Huh?
Azatou AZATW.
Azatou bless. Okay, good. Bless. And only the old tuna was singing abilities in the Daniel, but lyrics in the own head. About there, Coswana, I dance I am Munya Mr. Boy, and he does all my wife. Oh my goodness! I do praise. I had this year. Yeah. Good afternoon to you. Akwasia Santias Yedu. Abed Nego. Mr. A4. Yanko Inkonya na yanko fa Samuel. Hello Sam.
Hello.
Edi say? Okay, Sam, who bet me ato nyomo no? Sam, sing the song.
Okay.
Hello, Sam.
Hello.
We are waiting.
But over the beat today.
Oh, Sam, forget about the beat. We want a cappella.
Without the beat, I can't.
Okay. Take the beat. Take the beat. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
God, I pray. Everything I have, you gave it to me, Baba. God, I pray. God, I pray. Oh, everything I had, you gave it to me, Baba.
And yeah, they can you woo. Who's who, baby? It's 9 minutes after 4 on 106.3 FM. Fast radio, man. Guaranteed Trust Bank, GT Bank, the most innovative and technology advanced bank. Papa with Jan and Naso, a boy, you might some Ghana man. I share. But you'll say, nay, time we knew money pass our time no day. Time how and call banking and same reania dia. On your mobile phone, wait in the bank now transacted business from baby I will be and also about star 737 hash now follow prompt and talk to us so now go and then create me be account on your mobile phone with me link your account with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers. It's more than say on the evidence was so now so are connected to simple banking for every Ghanaian. Yes, convenient banking, papa. Try it today and smile. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Yanko Akosumbo, there be Yanko Swedro instead. Na Yanko fa Akosia. Hello Akosia. Atiafa so Akosia say. Hey, you know that there are some people who can't sing their way through and go to heaven. On Judgment Day, you say, sing. Just sing and enter heaven. I'm part of that category of people. In fact, and yes, I know my music. You know, I know it's not just gospel alone. I mean, all genre of music and but Charlie putting them together and singing it out. Hey, and yeah, easy. It's to never having a bad problem. Anyway, you try another one and share on also bit me about no more dear. Catchy, our boss must say, hello, Catchy.
Hi, Mina Jerry.
Catch out and we will also bit me out.
I know when I say near me, Pebiana, Mitomato.
What's the saying?
I know when I say near me, Pebiana, Mitomato.
Okay, who bet me out to go see the enemy?
Oh,
and I say, Adom Reku, Mamma options, me ma bias our options, we upe. Adom Reku, Kweku Jesse, Enna, Eben, Omomiensa, a mude na bet me at Omunum Bia.
Now, Papa, no, I can't mean to gospel beer.
Oh, to gospel beer.
Oh, get it?
Oh, say. Some guy, go for me, one man, you. We'll grab us some options. Just all 3 good options. And out of the 3, no cry, no. Omunum baby, no. What sign was that a innocent bet you for any of Omunum, yeah. Oh, the Amici, Adom Reku, baby, because could you see you, baby? It was, you know. I say. Aduane ebehye no ochi ayeshi otutu ayeshi ono anzo sa de behye. Oh my goodness, your first year near trust go anyway. Okay, Africans in Fabakugo, Rasta Babak. Yo man. Wagwan. Everything cool. Rastaman don't get sick from like that, so don't be sick, right? Okay, you're fat comfort. Now you're funny here, last caller. Hello, comfort. Yeah. We'll do it again tomorrow. Or shall I bet to us? I want to see a baby doing patrol. Actually, I know what you bet Nasi. Last 2 weeks, no. Now you shed day bonds. You will be Monday. The Subai to say. Tuesday for Subai to say. Wednesday for you to say. Thursday for Subai to say. Now Friday for swear. Now Saturday for send Subai to. na Sunday for so. Yahwe ni na ze so obi ehunu smoothest level. Na mom say baby aduno. Ye ba behwe month aye wo. The month in which you were born. Ya wo January and I say February and I say March and I say April and I say May and I June and I wo December. Ye ba behwe. It's your best shot said the fee a year January. January for almost suban to say, and near my ben sana, yeah, very, unique about them. They when you good, they when they bad, the best shot money nana and ye piano. Only will be a one or January was minimum 8-2 and a more. No one said it. It is now 6 minutes after 4. And Chibia, and now check the best. Ya met me aya antimuno. Hey. Mata tiam yanko. He has given me victory. Oh, we gotta give him the victory. He has given me victory. All the days of my life I praise you. Everything that I have now you give to me, Baba. Lord, I say, for your love I'm grateful. Jesus, you love me plenty, you came to die for me. Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nissi, I am that I am. I search around, there's no one else like you. Lion of Judah, you're man. God has given me victory. Happy birthday from Hilda Osuechan going out to Kofi Teria in London, and then Mr. Root Eye, the Rootical Eye. Oh, Mr. Root Eye, happy birthday going out to you, big boss. Yes, take it. Sorrows and now I'm free. Yeah, Root Eye. The man there from Root Eye. I got my hallelujah power. Roger, please help me wish my father a happy belated birthday. He is Mr. George Siedu in Toll. Yesterday was his birthday. A happy birthday going out to him. And a happy birthday also going out to my mother-in-law, Mrs. Matilda Grace Akutia. I wish all of them long life with good health as well. May God bless their new age. From Kofi Same Asiedu. Branty, you did worry. If Jesus has given you victory, come let's dance, let's give him praises now. Now what you are here, make sure weekend victory. And Nana Apache, let's give him praises now. Of Devout Gardens, Tema Community 5. Ne Papa Reverend William and Pofu Chumesi. Ne ye yon ebaso. Nana say yem fa fidie so. Yem fast da kese. E madofo amu nyina mo ba ye. In fact, mo ye mane ye fedodo. Enti friends ne family ne chese sympathizers awodo amu nyina mo ba ye. E ma wotimi ye ne papa ye fefefe. Nyame onchira mu nyina. De mo hwere o mo hu bia no. Nyame onhye mo ma. Na omo ho bebre e fama e wo Yesu di. Amen. Hallelujah. Auntie Stella, it's your birthday today. Auntie Stella is a wonderful woman. Now, our Tema Community 11. Now, our clearing agent, our Tema Port. You are 54 years old today. Auntie Stella, may God bless you. With you, sister, sister Bedu, no Italy, currently in Ghana. Only the rest of the family. Someone will show happy birthday. We will show happy birthday party. I mean, shall no me be quite as you celebrate your birthday today. pacho we mami kanfu Cindy tomato paste ma. Any atu was the natural tomato na ye na kama pa. That's all you need. Yeah, be mo aduane timi e de o kwan shonko so pa. Say you stew and I say soup bi a wo yes na e memorable. Cindy tomato paste. And any chef bi a ne choice. Because any man that finger licking food. Come on pa. We if the stables of a year. Cindy rice, Cindy tomato paste. Hey, rich, come on pa. Now just say no other tomato paste. Be a man, and then the best in the market. So go get the best. Go for Cindy tomato paste. For bulk purchase, no phrase 0540-101-671. Cindy tomato paste, delicious as always. Right, yanko na yani awuche entwaso na ene ye shasi yenhwe January 4 saying ena omo aye wo msa abosumi mu omusu eni omoban bi ni mu no etie awuche good afternoon.
Afternoon, Bepacho.
Bibia boko de.
Bibia boko na pacho onso e.
Me so me hoye pa. Right, yen hye na yen hwe. Se wo bi e wo January bosumi mu a. Onipa kono ne su ne ban te sen.
To say.
Enema papa ben sa na wo sa afo no. Enema ben sa na enye e wo sa afo no. Bibia ni so kire.
Yo, January three mu ne be ka se opepon. That time no open mu aye dream papa. And I want oba papa ni oba nanze de nko aba mu.
Yeah, na. Omo titi bi boss na de ade na
no papa na abe
o na ti aye si ya hu.
No, say anwashi. Yeah, you know, as usual, sana medikai metakano January ni medikai, and you know, a number one, and you had the number one in Buram. I had the number one in Buram one. Let's just say, Omoyan Crofua, Omoye number one, let's just say, Omoye independent. Yeah, Omoyan Crofua, Omoye independent. Na ya bon won so say. Omumbaye leaders. Ya bo won so omunye leaders. Nti no omo aye wo we no. E wo January no omoye leaders. Obe ohwemu a obo omoye leaders. And after so no omoye stubborn. Stubborn ni kire say omo leadership qualities na wo mo nti no. Omoye stubborn. Omoye stubborn say and yeah, fan crop some of the Nantes are very, very, very stubborn. And I feel, you know, ambitious. Wow, the name is so many so be almost per se. Almost so but test your money so as a omotime achieve. Amoya crofua, omotime show mu crying. Okay. Now omotime acom with him very attractive. Just omotime standing out. Nipemu unse nkrofo a omo dance omo penipa okay omo penipa pa January born for no omo penipa me dey can catch no say omo you very they are born to lead because of number one no omo you very omo you leaders pa na afei so no omo you very independent in every area of their life very independent so uhunu a ubohu say ojina abrane na ojina yie ante no omo charisma omo charismatic level no wo soro pa anche say omo charisma na omo hu niam nyina e wo mo anim nkofo bebre pese people love to be around them yeah nkofo pese all the time no omo wo be bi omo wo because omo wo suban bi a dance omo penkwala ena all the time no so no omo pese omo energy. So who say January near one January why you din na or dream baby who are near obeye but who incite no who push no BBC obo say wasamba back because all the time they want to be very happy. Omo penkwala pa medical catch no so omo penkwala pa nkolasem omo penkwala nkolasem pa and then say January ni say Ubon say, we are attracted to their children very. Okay. They be they have a social, your friends saying ability. Say nipemuno all the time no. On per se, omuchine ye, on per so ye. Omu pejuma. January for omu pejuma pa. Omu ye juma. And also ye bibia. Ade ba ko ewo mu ho a ye nika pa de say they have natural ability to teach others.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Omo sa flair no to teach. Say ono nam opeso ochira wade. Na the other side of them no so they say ochira wade no so no opeso osu ade free won.
Wow.
They are wonderful people. What shall I no? Now, a person or den, or also, or swear at the free hop. Or me and Crawford, or we are cautious about money. Or musica some. Say, you or musica saying you near to musica, semi ye. It's answer, or Montonia may be a keke. Or Montonia may be a keke. Yeah, we are January 4. Just say, or Munyan Crawford, or person says, Sika. Mono Jerry, Adibako, a warm one say, or mutimi yadi.
Okay.
Omunta yade. Omunta yade. Omunta yade ten no mafa. But yade touch wo mo pa. Minim say no dey your pen no kata. Code to make you wo pa. No dey say yade bi bo mu dia and code no na be hu say.
Rashida said that's my mom for you and she's very stubborn. Was that the hair crowd was what him say. Tell papa.
Yes your friends say stubborn no opeso ya they are independent people and you know that stubbornness so we are very sensitive. Sensitive the bibia ni a opese ohun ni ekoso ade no etimi affect no eno ebetimi ama na ye moody and say obey excited.
Okay.
Wo ho and omo two way your friends say e wo omo life mo and you know ni ebetimi aka wo mo ho no omo ye nkrofo omo timi organize omo ho yi omo timi organize omo yi January 4 nyame ehira won pa nyame ehira won papa omo ye nkrofo omo adwen mu ebie nyame de be wi amo omo ne se omo ye nkrofo a omo adwen mu ebie. Okay. Na omo sua ade na omo pese omo sua ade kire ade no na obi nso omo sua ade efiri obi ho. They are lovely people to be around them.
Okay.
January for today.
All right.
It's
January 4 over to you. And I'm also January 4 na washisha hono. And I'm on your wari amoni omoteno. Mo hu said the omode na ekọ ene said the bantineja na mahye nso sa na my omon kakaka na bibia so ayiku nyame adom o kina ye hwe February 4 so na ya ka mo ho asem. Nemo sisi ababi adu de ye hwe na yeti asem a ye de etu ye ho for by kan ketsi Zoatem anti-malaria drugs and so and a voter catch fresh tilapia or madama ya baby tia some wedi tu for area. And assemwa ye de tu ye hofo e wo Ofie Kwanso media so wo brofo ka sem asem ne say sometimes you just need to distance yourself from people. If they care, they will notice. If they don't, you know where you stand with them. TBMU. Sometimes you just need to distance yourself from people. If they care, they will notice. If they don't, you know where you stand with them. Or say, etoda eye se obetwe ho afi enipa binum ehun kakra ebia na se de nanka kane oniom tie oniom na ekọ na eba oniom hwibo mu ye bibia na edu ba bia obetwe ho kakra ana on sa wo so die se de oni o nkita ho die tie no wo be hwan so kakra na wa hwa de se wunya tu sa na mo no na saafo no omo ye obi a no kra nim nyame anim nie pa no omo dwen wo ho a ana ohu hia omo a san krofo no behu se na nsai ayese ka me wo mo papa enti bibia ni kura na won be pese won be bo akira hwe se menua na aden na bibia ye okay de na nsai ayese me hu yie me ton ka papa won ta kura mesrasra me eni ade on frame me on send me message kura ni ade they will try to find out why, because they will notice say no esa try kakra aba onyom enkitamudiem nemom sakoba say wo yes ana na ne no watwe ho kakra na atwe na say obia mfi obia na obia nam ne ba bi dia ene eno no ema wo so no edadi ma hu say ugina bia awo ewo wo ne saafo no ekitamudiem ana anyonkofa emu no sei enete nene obi be say over to you Julati what you move for. It's as simple as that. Sometimes you just need to distance yourself from people. If they care, they will notice. If they don't, you know where you stand with them. Because we know it's straightforward. To move for. You do baby na ne obwa pa atwetwe ho kakra ne ade fi na fofo no I say one more distance, one more space kakra near there. Omo on be notice say na ekho na on betimi kura gbo akire bi say ko na sen esu say omo ye omo a truly they care. That is why they want to find out from you what is happening. But if bibi say nsi dia, then you know it tells you the kind of friends you have and where you stand with them. Now our advice room. Right. Yeah, first that can say my proud sponsor on my boy my way, bro. Voter catch fresh tilapia. Pa. Yeah, tilapia no there. Yeah. Locally grown. And to say man for the be antibiotics bi no ne ade yeah. Now my totri. O korin so unya fa so papa bi amfiri mu. Voter catch tilapia is safe, healthy, come apart. Now they adapted the highest operational standards in compliance with Food and Drugs Authority, FDA, and Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, Samsung Ministry of Fisheries and Agriculture for more requirements in laws. Nina, ye do so pepe, say be my fish no a dance on cry. Do bana be tilapia or enchedia, papa, dear true, dear sister, and dear may man saying, I say, oh, pet tilapia kwa do krumwa dia, man, and your voter catch fresh tilapia, papa. Ure chakwaya. Baby, yeah, what tema roundabout on a motor roundabout no. Oh, we'll do a niche Michelle Camp Quanos on the Binkunso on Abihunio, and I face our new town Malata, your Kaswa, your Kumasi, your Takrad, and other accredited agents across the country. I'll be to me and ya voter catch fresh lap PBO. But me, our friend 0544 346 967. I feel 0544 346 976 na onye Eddie Enkitown. As they do a young farmer Zoatem anti-malaria drug me pacho we effective malaria drug chese unya bi na no mo a simaka kra bi no one who's a share say bon ho adwuma pa isan say ato ebo say design here with 2 active ingredients no ma etu malaria na sepanti no within 24 hours no bo say ahoton aba isan a combination therapies from kwa ikranity no within 3 days no 9 na atu yare na say ahohom kwa fuel system no ma che say ekokra Zoatem suspension ho no no ikra excellent orange flavor e man no ne emre de mamofra penny 40 and so Zoatem Fort and a face Zoatem DS no openi unya bi no ya pena na aboa na ntentempa na abowura o system real quick na atu yare na ase e de amount eti de ka boka kra ho an se na kokoboka kra ho ne se nursing mothers any pregnant women mo amoma manufusuo ne mo amafa yefunu de muntimi nom je se mohumu doctors wono doctor kasa wi na ma kwan se no mo ansan watimi anom Zoatem anti-malaria dua ye bo hunde road chewi available at pharmacy shops I would only name across the country to do pa no. Now on the top Apple Healthcare Limited they didn't get on the Ultima Community 25 or Health Plaza Building. Free 020 431 0031 or 055 000 5363. Now the do be out here be answer no on sa a bit miaka. Now see a baby I do so no ye kwanim na yanim a ye kwe no na che say ye bonito me hwe awura fefefe osono kama otimani mi a timi say yes bibia da ku na no ada na me ne omuhia holiday in hotel na mhwa na say sister ya me hira na oha ene ne ba be bon maka amofe akwaba na bibia boko de
Adom kwa
nice na udina ese mi Africa kra ne ade
but your family Jasmine Gwachi
nice
that sales limited
good correct now yen hwe yenim se ayi Adom praise ye bay modem ho aba be boyen tin a chese ye wa mo enwai ese mu odin pa na kan bi kakra che mo djuma ku no ne ho aba kwasem te se kan bi kakra about the company name.
Well, I say you Ghana idea in tuntum any malaria there. Omunjaya my home toy.
Yeah, say more.
Na so say tuntum so jawa. Who here coil, who here spray. And ye shame we who say bi o ha o to no den. We spray with them. We be windows at 1 hour. Still cry na chemical ni ginem.
Wow.
Nti a sheda ye reset. And I call no so bi so ha o so an sie nko a enu a sense na nye. Na waso. Unim say wo pamon tuntum so uni ahoto wa dem. Nti ya shada ehwehwe mu research ne pe ntuntum draw that is spray any coiler wo spray a udem ye hwam ano so ya mre wo ye nipa ne so say wo spray a no an say we spray room refreshener nti udem na ye hwam me hwa no ntuntum wo so mu prugu hwa ni omu wu e na call no so ye hwam empum wisie wo so a won say si ho wo say call na so but who we see bia na we no say ntuntum ne nyina ewu ama waso nyina ajo and as I call your friend no classic no mosquito coil and as spray no see a classic no insect spray meaning say kum tuntum kum tefre kum efiera mwa ha yen we fie nyina no who you see classic spray na ye adwuma and I call no say kum tuntum.
Wow. Now, we got to say, about say na moti Adom praise Adom musumu de abedum.
First of all, ye jinyamidi.
Wow.
And Bible na ka che say nyamiti na ye yem. Nti wo anyam ye adwuma ono so bebo awo adwuma.
Okay.
Ye pese Adom praise danu dura. Ye boa nye nyame aye. Na nyame sane ba. Sene be asem ye de be tu nenim no. Obeya amaye. Na ye classic no mosquito coil and spray na so abeye kese e wo kronim
right enti on the day the 31st of August Perez Doom the Adom praise beshes no then our patrons be ba no more expected from mo so amode mo abebom
ye bet cheniama ama mo ni age
bet cheniama
ye bet cheniama
tie for mo hye no so na niam abeflu
pa nti mo mbra ye bet cheniama se na be amu behu ye na esi ehum ye beboa am ye yinyame aye saada no
good niam abeflu
flow
that's nice okay we here shut down mon come on chesa nti ye say nyahu classic no mosquito coil and I want to spray so come pa
blue and white container near white and it's blue
okay
box so say blue and white
all right and there may be Saudi chat to say amount for promotion akwa say available shops and stores in supermarket but e bia nduduo mu no e bia contact number bi o na ba bia amount for the money be cha na fi wa the person we can chat to bia na fi yan sorry enkomo iso
yo call this spray na ji baby a o come market akese o kan shi domeka so a kejeti a edum Madina all shops in na e wo call market na e wo ho nti enye nakra
okay and contact me
0244 63 5580
all right and na e beda wase say awie wo be sra yen na fi asdan mu kese no pa so no komodwumaku ni na say jamo so wotisi e bodawri mama e dawru bonanka dem mu ya na motutu na mo abeta e chiama Adom praise yegusu him kwa him se kwa bia so de 31st ye behia ye na e de akoma kro na ye him pa heavy pa ye da ase nyame sha all right So happy birthday. Though belated, and come out Joycelyn. Joycelyn, ewo adabraka. Yesterday was your birthday. Ni akwe. Ewo ye tema Fishing Harbor. Also, I wish you a belated birthday, Joycelyn. Nyame on show. There be a bit me and yache heavy pa. Happy birthday to you, Joycelyn. And shouts going out to you, Maxwell. Enjoying the show with your colleagues at work. So shouts going out to all Terminal 1 Transit Waybill guys. Nina. Shouts going out to all of you. Okay, baby, I do know break up. And without big waste EBS and SMA, I irrigated twice because coming about their cradle. A mouthful, but you. A dry no. Yes, Okuma gra. What's a JJ? Uneja no cry. Share. Utumino. Eti Kobisto swat naso. Tinache said ya no ese ma akrobeto kasa na yesha se na yakọ enimu. Akrobeto yankọ.
Well. Please. I Alligator Sports. A perfect program. Perfect engaging.
That's right.
And perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. Papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Sofu Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
God bless you too. Matisofia Brochaba and Tiwaba Bedudia. Let the blessings flow. Sofu Kumchacha. Sisi Chum Sremiankwa.
For me, this Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because minty manage na me stress.
Nice one. Best stress there. Yo time na so star. Come here, come.
You have a Joso.
Now, Bibia de ye.
Bibia la moko. Timpo anu dia ya tia mi o. Na na so na pa ko fi kinata nyumbi no. Bom tim za na kan pese bo mo. But yaba na yaba e. Mom belle. I am a yaba irrigator.
That's me you know wafa no.
But I said I talk for Dimo.
Mike, we was a wedding.
Now, me ma wakwa bakra na.
I said me card. I
said Robia, Obia the Shema. I didn't tell you because we did. And you're according to microphone, don't
according to
Kobe. Akwawa.
Jerry
When did the whole day?
Has actually have it.
Technology. I don't know. And you say, according to your winning, Dano. We croak at our hacker still over Ticasa.
We go with this as a kit web.
What's your not in the kitchen?
We'll be taking 29 Mike Wadian. It's not material kitchen.
And your man soon have a sort of my way bell. I see we see that. Oh, they're no crossing from Kwame. You're my that watch now, Kwaba. And a trip I never can hello. All the way from the United States of America. Of Dallas. Say Dallas. Say Dallas. Huh? Dallas. I don't call dollars. Dallas. No way. I don't know one can have
Dallas.
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 No, that is Dallas. And Texas, no kind of thing. Texas.
No more Texas.
And about going to Atlanta.
Atlanta.
I don't want to
Atlanta.
Atlanta.
How many HH baby in
Massachusetts?
Yes, that's my country.
And Mumbai.
And I want to go.
Yeah,
Dallas, it's saying.
Dallas, you come up. We are nobody.
Okay. We are not trained to me.
That's why I'm not doing it.
Yeah, 1-9 and a year.
And I do 9
PM. Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, I'm not about yeah. Our bosses are soon to
You see, I cried this in Dallas because I had
but I have some passport. Why?
For I am tree and cranny. I get 10 years. What by no best studio? By his house who said the name is.
Oh man, sir, program media catch us a need you pop. Yet your men be more stress dose.
Yeah,
I drink you people America. I can't boy. Yeah, a Jumamu, a fee,
mortgage, child support,
the link. It's 30 minutes in the OTR. Why are you laughing?
Why are you big? Abokwa Udru Texas wora Dallas wono oh baby you from Abokwa
obi wo Worcester wo o so one no sending me na dwom for sending email say onko hu doctor say no monitor no debi o je no sresre e bo 4:30 bia no sresre to mo sending email say onko hu doctor the next Monday no abrofu mu nim de ha me mo ha nyame ha kwaku na condom bia ba dem ya cho say wani ba je ho
condom
o mo design new condom bia sa woni obi da na sa owo ST aya what I say sexually transmitted diseases.
I won't say I.
I am not telling you, Mister.
David, now they make me tell me, headphone SMS. Memantiana.
What can STI? President now can sexually transmitted.
They don't do so kaba.
Infection, disease. Kwaku tie me ya story na ehia me tie am the chance say condom na die say no bad da na say owo infection bia say ka fra che o ko mu na a change color
na condom na change color da bi o na emranche na hina omo ron aya omo he
another debate
yeah oron obetru boss akorese color na change
the purpose of buying the condom is to check infection dia me sure say
okay, now I did be what me who's so condom na show na kasa no. What's the essence of it? It's not to prevent those things. It's the addition na prevent me from, contracting any EBR from Obana. I don't know, say worry me who correct say Obano. So Obani a clean no infection be there. Any Conroy.
Mama say, some come back at you no crap, but Obi ambassador back. Kromwa we obi anya girlfriend fofora onya hunu dia first 3 days there condom no e di be 2 months na ba ya oge
I don't want yes
yeni ni sound koda so I want a problem no no onya fofora obi a ho de condom ni botum
we no e betimi edi check no etinka first day no ron a wonya hu se kala na anya hwe dia no se dey betimi apachire gura
se so different ni subai uko check ya na anchange kala bia nyume no free ho no a uko share kobisto we su go no
we go no go
that is ourselves
goodness it come with them for say kwa beboa eti omunya ntam no mfa mra na 20 minutes to be say
yeah
okay Ghana player about quite friend Kevin Prince Boateng.
Yeah. KP Boateng.
No, yeah, story be na. As much as she said, Okoyi ni ti kura ti Kevin Prince Boateng. Okay.
Baba the same thing no.
Kevin release latest be aba. Or this say no. born said I need it. I want dinner, small boys in a day banner. That you are just so young, who said,
Backwabina Aquano, rapping Fatano sea football cry. My Philly boy,
oh, Philip boy,
swag level, rap,
but the video is dope.
A guy.
Kevin, no, a guy,
Kevin, Kevin, you remind
oh, you
remain younger.
Minim say bia over the years he tried music no jai. Because if we had made in at the party, Diama, I mean he did like a pro, you know.
Yes. Nani jo honde dada.
Ojana so.
Nani jo na dia ne se.
Oh,
say ya wa kasa. Eti o ka e mo wia. Dia ye tiefo enya fakra. Dia discuss see video. Eh nipa bo say ye ne am tie video no honyom. Ka video no we are no tie audio no. Ya analyzing video no.
Anya asamoja anko na e blaster play oye bakono no.
Ena asamo akra no. Need the news of way the international
asamoah dey efiefi
no MBT
standard no
standard na we one feature obi ono nko a
ono na rap ono
asamoah woman 10 minutes wa ha no one man 3 minutes no we na dey body
asamoah enti ezi oso omobo
le monko
ono so omobi
asamoah dey no una better listen to what I say
to what I say una better listen obe repeating by 3 times ole monko make it be 15
before Kevin buy the
Kevin dey here
asamoah
Kevin dey here
but ole monko no o kan ya na no so ya me de pa timi ana me say I on kan mo timi say
no ba ko yo be ka ole monko be 1000
ya me de baby jet ya kan mo so no akwa ni say de o kan de ole monko no kan be de pa
but mane yo wa say bi e bedu ba bi no baby jet ne Kevin
baby jet rap brofo
oh that be say e wole monko obetimi aka je
na ma tire de wa mo brofo
yes ama tire de say mo brofo na say ayo boy na boy
and why darling
oda boy
yeah brofo no
say no ni say QB show baby
yeah
why you do this way you treat me this way oh
I go fuck carry the show bro
I say baby I miss you
do I say why
Wabre.
Okay, you take KP watching no. You take no. This serious rap, man.
Bro, turn up the volume. I live my life like a king, living with no pressure. Hustle like I don't know better. Me, myself, and we gonna get ya. Rock on my ring, pull up, no time to linger. Live my life like a king, living with no pressure. Hustle like I don't know better. Me, myself, and we gonna get ya. I'm joking, I'm serious. Last night I was curious. Brothers fly when I fly since 30 years. You new to this. The boat waiting on standby. Trophies shine high. Rich people live nearby. Folks, alhamdulillah. I'm in Abu Dhabi with a German car. Helicopters, I'm flying high. They want a copy, they try and try. Pulling up, they lie. Never feel no pressure. Only getting better. Una writing letters. Givenchy on my sweater. Ofie Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso. With the men. Yes. On Adom 106.3 myself and I, we gonna get you.
I said no, cannot take.
I live my life like a king.
I say I live my life like a king. With no pressure, you know. This is real hip hop, man. This is hip hop.
I'm a quad rap. I'm a quad rap.
Yeah, go ahead. Hey, rap.
No, you're not about to do. The coach school, the time to be also about rap. The instrument,
I've heard it, yo. Or battery, no.
I come back to the rest of the party. My kids are
I mean, people are saying
The guy
it's not just the song and the nice, but the video is
a dope song, man.
Beautiful. I mean, classy. Now, baby, I'm a gaga and crown say, I brought no dinner. I put table no now. On the night and I'm Pabana channel. Charlie, when this cows are watching, bling pa, diamond ring. The sun is like 2 ways. Yeah, Branton or Bobra. Oh, guy. Obi on this cat because we are here who and also here. Ampo, no go yet bank company money bill. We be separate and we are here who here. Now here na here. I have some of you. As abu me any.
That's all boy.
You go.
Say ni teammate na Bonabaso. Officially afena Sassuolo says your or Sassuolo. Nti afena teammate no. Omo Bonabaso omo tena se analyzing jumni a channel. Sa Ozabro for them per flower. We are spending the time about you meant to say. More man, I dare say. Yeah, the boy about so a flower get to have been a crop. I'm going to check the idea. I'm going to tell you, size man. Obi a come out of the man, but I knew my kitchen thing.
Obi a come out of fun.
Then I said,
what your point to train and finish theater cost of a fee. That be a profit. Oh, woman can't be worse of motivation than the idea. It's not corruption. You will come. I talk about a judge. How are you for see? I went there and cry. I thought was a friend of black jar. Or something I don't know. Oh, no, so black jar. I would say, what's it? Come filial. Like the Obagan, I have. I'll get to I all play or I will be about it. Every moment we do a bush of one form of airport. And now, when you can't find some, I'm not tired. I see my crying from crying. I know so there be. On person didn't mean never cook a fee now. You saw the bar and so you need to and the emphasis on America for done.
I come Mammy Assem, yeah, come on, Yassem. Mayedi or Baba Kupanka Kruma, or Penny or Banka. Ghana for you, I support to Mao say, Sebia didn't national team Maui. Kakochi. I am a Black Queens of Ghana. Yeah. And I am national team.
National team. Under 23 national team. 20 national team. There's all just a Black Queens.
Mati.
And someone needs to know be only
Mati. I did team ma call a wafu tournament to Nigeria and our team in Kwajibai. Ghana for you as you and the mammy bitch me a Jumano. I hope I be cross last 30 Baba Judgment yesterday. Said or buy in a man a grow. And then Quadasoya, Mammy said, or person say a mate. There is a Jumana, ya pray, moving my bomb pie, soon said, young for Jumana Mamma Sitego. I have heard him say reforms here, bay. Messitego Nabe, head coach, at the senior national soccer team, I had the women team, no man, and was one your person, or no sign recommendation. No person assistant, say young for Bashi Hilford.
Debbie Nasma make a meboa. Say, dear, you mount. Now you know to me yet. Now, Casa Untimia will be by ya. I just say, by now, ye, Untimia, and no dear. The big of Oba has drive them pound. And no was natural. That's a photo draw. Yeah. Oh, let me go.
Now, they demand or they call your friends and Wafuno. Did I then you'll be a fortune to make good? There's no rich. Or quite a woman. And to the Ben Wababin, 1.40 Asanda.
There was certain Saturday show.
It's the Ben Wababin years is your assistant, no? The Ben Wababin Yabadis at him, and you'll be Anna. Yami born say or me leader. And now a brandy account on Muna was say the difference we say
I was born to lead where you are born to
what I say. And you be a leader. In fact, my Ghana phobia and she never craft sell his own team. No, and now one said I war said 1 person mammy bear Jumano. And she said, Down Kokuya Boan and Gaso Casama Legion team. No, and watch him say, Mamma, no, you be one. You did done.
Yes, you say, and the fact that
Messi Juma Koboy and Nayina AFA. Me say na me encouraging behind it. But Messi na mum say a privilege so be head coach here. But if you say Obache Jaya no safety no. Man will be your experience, no understanding for the meantime. And she specifically mentioned Bashir Airport. And a new position has been created there. It's an opportunity for her. First of all, a women's team. And I also say yes, I also want an opportunity. No more, better so be seen as a coach, no understanding. Somebody who is more experienced. She said, Oberashi, now I could, and you know, your experience, man, no understanding Kaka. And she specifically mentioned that to be comfortable working with Bashir Hayford. It's a new position, said the Mokan.
I think I tell me about Munyabote, Matthias Imbiase. On say, you Krumuana, Brofu by incompetence. The one she near the side net tag open. It me how I send the Omusaka. My back, why, yes, and Kobe is at the but or ye be asked. I send the Omusaka. It will say the Ayeno. On person Chnebino. On person, never man of incompetence be one or why Jenny's at the Ghana for any Pabia. What do you team Eddie Agromit? As a more penalty chicken. Was it the Vienna or doctors in or Ghana for the Quano? What to be young when your butt pains Ghana for a boost mine. There's a boost for no good. Or beyond to another about Husa on how and round you set him be a good assistant coach that first one. Hey, Messi touch you. Because the woman you was school, what Tony D. No campus. Students are yes, SRC president. I'm so Jerry, you have the chance. You know, telling you class 4, I'm your class captain. I will be a friend of when you see you know, I know what back seat. Oh, you did the control them some money deep cracker. And you can't buy another born masses when it's I don't say you pay a point. I was 726. It's because our punishment cannot grab. I could the man when I said, me the chum. And I'm to school, I can't coffee. It's a full class captain. If you're not me, you're also being your better power. Over the weekend, so I done for Warrior. One could some Nami Yankas a menu. Weekend, the animal will be farm con and no farm corner. Nana Pache, a papa, you see, because Nami mini around. I qualify in Nigeria. I saw a one economist. But we are cash one. There be no be a warrior. I said cash won't back on so back and we're from home. Oh, no more person will butch. But we said, be a back warrior. No more money factor. I'm kind of obviously, or don't I don't know until I guys can one number will go to acquire about someone number say, don't be a don't know that. No, what cost will be paid. Some cost will be paid. And Tibeka in the fire power. And yes, Lake Quincy will come in about to be. Oh, me and Cassandra make that far away. I'm ready. Sorry, as I mentioned, me uncle. Say by invitation. Observing from afar. I'm impressed about the corner. I must add the who this is an area. What the table is there be higher reserve. No, what you say this. Now, we're sorry to cut him, but me banana me far. I'm seeing near run up your friends name. Achimota Hono. Who's a Ofahona and your main one? Yeah, when you go can change all the now. Oh, by now, a year. Who do my 7? Yeah, my Yashi can baby and a piece of him. Yeah, for you, piece of him, do know. Now, this is a bridge, that's one night a market. I want on your own. Hey, on that side, you're near a car park. May say, on the other side, you know. Oh. I'm on for time yet to finish and nanny. I say, flat house anymore. Restaurant, and yes, the phone. How much is that? Well, I'm not here on anymore. And yes, so your phone at those one. How much is that? And so some penny phone and what they be out. Now we'll be busy yet. Now we are Niana. I high interchange back we are. Can be quite here. And the young Crawford Shesho must a month wash a gun. Oh, be a fast food grab. Make sure that's true. Fast food joint now, you say, pass Nasi, Uncle for me say, wardrobe name, furniture, different kinds now. They sell all those under bridge more. and yes, will be in person be a business, but be any maybe where you oh, because such a place can't pump. No more share as your yes, you also. Wow, your life is in dangerous. Now, wow, what you want to say? I mean, him saying, "Penny for no more boom when you go so say you."
Story about could be one. I'm from Chum, and it's Papa be our co-worry. Now, when this is 10 years, well,
yeah,
now, Okodria or the 350, 350 the coy, and then a snap. Okotria, we are bound Papa say, Uncle Jimmy Bayman channel and son. I
heard that story, and I'm Nana obeso boy serious anaiden.
Na sabe kwa woman say e na down for no between a man no. What you say? Na down for introduce oba no man no. Osusu say na down for no aka bibia kire papa no.
Say bia abrante de dan 9 tem no.
Because una me no nam kwaku. Ana what tell say oba yi. Afele me koya among other things papa no say me nyimi kwaku be me man no say.
You to the same no carry you.
Ansa na ode aba na mama ware. Abayo ware so just so oni 50 years. 50.
Now why should you not make Osakra now? Even if lady near virgin one or be why now? This thing, Papa, why this done? I mean,
unim the
said this a wash bemo be why or no?
Aye.
The bear man, son, one man, what penis no why?
Oh, yes, someone tells us I near. Sabi chop, sabi me dia no mo ntwa me nika ensan ka wanza mo. Eti me 350 no, o fa ma me. Akwa ko for say bi na mo from bibia. Ko fa na dan for say wo na wo de me call ye nko ne ko gi me 350 ma me. Akwa se me nko. Ma we so wanya botre, aja ni bo anya botre. O fa se kan.
Ko wo case. Tin nya botre.
Wa twitwa no.
Wo ko twitwa sai.
Wa twitwa sai han.
Ebi ni mu nim say de ya de ko. Wo fine case say. Wo ko twese kan sai de.
And was so kwa court I can show my.
It is not done anywhere. How can you tell me I should let you see this before you allow me to marry your daughter?
Two things. And I said very small, and I said very big. Two things.
If it is very big, go and endure it.
Very small.
Manage it. I mean, how?
Very big, no one have a pan.
And a very small. You're correct.
Oh, Judge,
Mr. Papa, no, Biba. On the names on any why. I'm ready to say,
and the opinion don't call our fears.
It just out here.
I did when you're
what you're practicing. Yeah, when you're
case quiet say case we go come in
can walk rabbit to my mama.
Jerry say a calf confederation. Adriana Stars, Omodo, or Sumana Banawi.
Eh, matters it, baby. Yes, more. Next one, the Jesus background.
They said, Omofrim. Now, on say, Adebakwe Yan say, Yen penny for no moon, because Adriana Stars management, yet you crum her.
We're so better, my dear free.
And as Santico Toko. Ebo 1 p.m. say, yeah, be a Nakotoko place, Ninum so cratching. One no more bon. A Rihanna Homogene Mobon. I also say 1 p.m. now, what the Asian. Because Yamao, a Yamao time 3 say to Subako.
Come to what's Yabona Majo, how much what's so how does that come bobo?
They said no doma, a dana for no so chimu choose no. Ezupa.
Say who are
Ezu. Now boy had the penalty by. Say defender no abre. What to me now go? Oh, just general massa. I'm in San Guaya. Our son go out now. About oh mama nana bregu. Nana man be bregu. Because can a woman. And I had now so and said I near because oh hell my team football is say I'm fine. They say I'm fine.
Nice and I'm for who's at the name I'm so bad at that, you know.
I'm fine.
Kwaku na
Ghana so mo.
Oh, me research, I'm researching am be.
As an about research. Sister Badu.
Yeah.
Italy no.
Yeah.
Or drop it down.
Oh, okay.
Make us say
oh bogus will come.
Or come to
Kwaku bogus be so ba also blue gate or so surprise here. Oh money di cross just your bands.
Surprise say idea.
Eh?
Yeah, naturally.
I have coming in corner what.
Okay. Na obai one ne bag girl back on a buy. Okay. Na ne ba no ne kan Italy focus na kwa hu gina wa.
Oh, it oh from Brem.
Na twi no so eda dem kakra ne ade na. Or the drink bi ama me a.
Ose fa Brem.
Ose am mwachiri. Na drink no. ɛwɔ car no na ɛyɛ correct
but say I am non-alcoholic well
come on
but alcohol so you say me dem alcohol
well tell you I got train and coming pumping can
na ko kan chiro
say your party obi a o yem pa na me di alcohol ko so afa bi wana boy titi na ho so mo fere
ayo mo ji
abi a o pay am fancy
dinanu de ya em di besi amanfo beji bi no me
unko fere na di wachi o me kodo man no half tade chin na
was beginning normal now so
chin na ja oluma me di akande ice kakra gu ma hotel ho de da me ho za
ya o ni we ya na say
nipa
ala ogun
but we say poor men love big breasts the rich prefer them smaller there be a say poor party I am na twam
Mr. for the travel oh the Lord tavern to be say
I said papa be sraw for come the church say aye escafo mo shadam pe
sa research no e mema na ye sample me yes research no em so mo ya brofo enko a because me say no me classify me who as a poor man.
No, how do you like your breast? Answer no way. How do you like your breast?
My answer.
There no answer here to us.
And one amigo so answer.
They become simple.
Big
or small.
Oh, kwami tie me.
Big or small.
Me say me tie we. Me classify me who say me a poor man.
But you like big breast. But you like big breast.
But I don't like the breast. You like no. I like it.
Ya ngwanu wo.
Just say there, you gyina we. Uze anwa wo
so you like
how ya ayi na me nkoi fa twetwefo bi sa na e de wo say no and
bloggers no tie me the host of Ofie Kwanso Jerry Justice like the breast in this
yes I like it bunga no eno ayi bi ba kra na ahoje bi ba kra
o tube de show o tube de to de kwa bu sa
I am the one we are home you are able to take so be so opportunity ko tia
atete sai
ba ka send out ya ko mi
to talk
babu I mean to take a enfama
na danu kakra se mi
I mean to take a pa
na dey me say krokro ni bia
a chepa funfama of ataya boa ya friend no yesu na odogo no school no one ya yon shop ne wo ataya boa na face big D any atiefo etie ye nyina
agwe de zenkrato hin
akoy open chapa
enchant na depa
mami chapa da fu Sweden
we are so wonderful no
madam for father no Danny boy or Sweden
all right
no me chapa chefo na to chapa chefo
yeah that's it yeah do mu nyina
me chia 21
with Dallas
21 with Dallas tell say ajaba tamade no so ba if you
have no problem
me ho ehwama na tell say America fund dem aba
oh my goodness into check a sense from Felix Enchel ope obia no obema yi pa o yi friends concrete products near the adeno ojana so brutal fa ojana so masa oh blocks near the but it's between chama pa ati otia get sports pa. All right, your first like I say my proud sponsors Siffin Clearing and Forwarding Company Limited. Siffin papa omujo monaso me pacho say ope say ebia clear o goods efi port say takra the port and I say tema port pacho Siffin and no preferred choice ombeboa obenya cash etimi dia clear o goods no sharp pa na nkogu ewa ma aban fane santo so oba Siffin dia ye boa ma etimi clear o goods no from the port with no hassle cry behu Siffin e chia kwan wo tesano apenkwa Presbyterian School Park wa nyesa contact 0243 222 768 again 0243 222 768 na on Siffin Clearing and Forwarding Company Limited dinkita on say be bit me a clear goods ni na dia ma wa bra onti obrebia onfa titi bia emu eno echi na sede di o yemfa ma performance for men where your nutritional supplement ya bema bemwa gina na so say cream vitality papa b performance papa b immunity papa b aba open na apede ye kasa de bema ho eden ya na da bia nkofo de mo adwen akosi empam da bi bema de on head of the family tie so hutimi ye den akoto afade no waka na wife abefa ma da bi also we head of the family that way eso ma ho ye den omodiam sanka performance na begina na so pa enu ache ne fast dey do ma all surplus herbal we and on your beer stomach or son etu ase de ma we shall say so no more 30 minutes time now one zampa and your mess e wo within we shall say so one nom e also place about me patcho avoid the oily foods why now we no say stomach ulcer and now say heartburns na how I drink gas a bit ginger yam abdominal discomfort I would need now also place about any two ase e available our pharmacy shops ne kaba shops how do need them do pa no more than so be 0303 410 590 afi 0244 622 402 and 0233 498 775 do be on ye bia no on sabeka and what you fast dey do ma oba spaghetti food you can trust ede pa spaghetti mu nyina santi hene papa ojina na so bruta ede utimi style bia bi se si ana ben na wo sin ubedi afilia ne bon so nya den available ba bia oba spaghetti food you can trust. Finally fast dey do ma Papa's Pizza patron na Monday Papa's Pizza branch bia ben obi abowura ho ukwa every large pizza on our menu yeah the more at a reduced price now what's a free drink they attach there say be ya uburi na ph there e be dun tem e the amount na bibia so akoye the amount why it in patcho any of our branches just drop by for an amazing pizza experience our Papa's Pizza taste it love it you go so aye to aso na ye twa ho kakra ba Mr. Azu, I see you. I say, hey, Jerry, now I know you like big breasts. All right, yeah, trade media. So come over here, 106.3 Adom FM. This is Ofie Kwanso with me, Jerry.
Pharmacist me chiawo
Vakwijo meje wo so Zoatem no ama malaria no ko
kokra ma je malaria dro Zoatem tablets empenifo fa eni Zoatem suspension amofra de ni nya tumpa be fa 3 days no so ya pe eni malaria ni nyina hwem ayira fi mi nipaduam sese me ho aye den menya box kura bebo
wano de den dia na wo de kan news o radio so no mitie wo
Zoatem